Outstanding performance in English, Science and Arts. 6th place in Editorial Academic English during the Division Schools Press Conference. Member of SAES DLC. Municipality of Day BFT Quiz B. Participant during the District Marathon English and Conduct Awardee. Winner L. Alhama, Batang May Karangalan. Champion in Collaborative Desktop Publishing Filipino. Conduct Awardee. Jenica Daniel Villanore, Batang May Karangalan. Participant during the District Regional Filipino. District Athletic Meet Volleyball Champion. 3rd place in the Science and Technology Writing Filipino. In the District Schools Press Conference and Division Qualifier. Member of SAES DLC. Award for Organization Achievement and Conduct Awardee. Zairil May R. Arbilon, Batang May Karangalan.
Sana,
District Athletic Volleyball Champion and Beauty Qualifier. Member of SAES DLC. 2nd place in Radio Broadcasting in the District Schools Press Conference. Member of SAES Dance
Sana.
Award for Organization Achievement and
Sana, isa ni
Conduct
Megan.
Awardee. Remiro C. Arios, Batang May Karangalan. Member of SAES DLC. Member of SAES Dance Group